evening, folks. Welcome back to the channel. Tonight we're going to see if the Ridgid Octane Megamax is going to be able to outperform the brand new Ridgid brushless recip saw. Model number on this is R8647. I am going to be using Octane batteries on both. I use the Megamax daily to do things around work, whether it's demo, pruning, it doesn't really matter. I absolutely love this tool. It is one of my favorite Ridgid tools ever. I use it as often as I can, for as much as I can. So with that, we're going to be doing a couple of cuts into the cedar. As you can see, this is the same cedar I've been running the auger bits through. So we're going to do it one cut each without oscillation, one cut each with oscillation, and then call it a night, I guess. I don't know. These do have brand new DeWalt blades on them. It's the exact same blade for both. So first up, the Megamax. This would be a perfect time if I had my workstation bolted down. That would be the time, but I don't. Sorry, Megamax. There's a lot to ask having it hang that far out over. As you can see, the Megamax, no trouble, no worries. Now orbital is off. I don't know if you can see that. It's kind of awkward. Battery is fully charged. I'll show you the battery is fully charged on the Megamax. This is awkward. I'm left-handed and I'm trying to shoot this right-handed. Both extremely powerful. And just to show you with the Megamax, oh, it's down a bar. That shouldn't make any difference, but that stinks. And now the orbital is on. If you haven't had a chance to hold that Megamax and use it, you are truly, truly missing out. I made a mistake. That was with orbital off. I actually think it outperformed the Megamax in that particular occasion, even without orbital. But I don't know that for sure. It's just a feeling. I gotta be honest with you. Those new brushless tools are for real. They don't lack power in any way, shape, or form. They do not underperform. Our next test in a few days, we're going to put up the brand new hammer drill against its octane counterpart. Then we're going to start testing it against other brands. Now, I need something from you guys. I'm on a quest to get to 100 subscribers before the 1st of May. And I'm hoping you all can help me out. So do me a favor. Like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and share it with your friends. It'll help me out, it'll help out the channel, and it'll help me bring more content to you guys. I'd really appreciate it. Thank you. Have a good night. Keep your dick on the ice. I love AVE.